One UI 7 isn't the only thing Samsung's got on its plate right now. The South Korean tech giant is also gearing up for its next big launch, the Galaxy S25. And guess what? We might just have the launch date, along with a bunch of juicy leaks, including a hands-on video. Let's break it all down. According to tipster Abhishek Yadav, Samsung is set to unveil the Galaxy S25 on January 22nd, 2025. This lines up with an earlier report, so it's looking pretty legit. While the tipster didn't spill much else about the event, it's likely going to be called Galaxy Unpacked 2025 and could take place in the USA. Now, whether January 22nd is the announcement date or when the phones hit the shelves isn't totally clear. But if history is anything to go by, the S25 should land in stores a few days after the event, just like previous years. Alright, let's talk about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its colors. Word on the street is that the most hyped color for the S25 Ultra is blue, and we even got some renders showing it off. Now, these aren't official images, they're just mock-ups to give us an idea of what the phone could look like in its base colors. Those colors are rumored to be titanium gray, titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium silver. But whether these renders match the exact shades Samsung will use is still up in the air. Nothing's confirmed yet, so we'll just have to wait and see. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. A few weeks ago, dummy units of the Galaxy S25 Ultra popped up on X. These dummy models confirm that Samsung is switching things up this year. The S25 Ultra has a different form factor with a flat frame and slightly rounder corners. The display is completely flat and no curved edges this time. The camera setup looks pretty similar to the S24 Ultra though. As for accuracy, it's hard to say if these dummy units are the real deal. But two of the colors from the renders were confirmed through these dummies, so that's something. Let's see how much of this actually holds up when Samsung makes it official. Just ahead of the launch, a hands-on video of the phone has surfaced on Reddit, and it's looking stunning. The design seems to match those dummy units we saw earlier, with curved corners that could make it more comfortable to hold compared to previous Galaxy S Ultra models. If this video's legit, Samsung might have nailed the design this time around. Now, on to features, and this one is big. It looks like the Galaxy S25 Ultra could introduce Qi 2 wireless charging. Reliable tipster Ice Universe confirmed on Weibo that this rumor is true. So, what's Qi 2? Basically, it's a new wireless charging standard that uses a magnetic ring for better alignment with chargers. Plus, it opens the door for a whole range of cool accessories. Apple's been using a similar concept for years with MagSafe, and aside from HMD Skyline, no Android phone has adopted it yet. Charging speeds will reportedly stick to 15 watt, so no big upgrades there, but this is still pretty exciting. It's about time Android phones catch up in the magnetic charging game, right? We're just about a month away from the next Galaxy Unpacked event, where Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra and One UI 7. So, what are your thoughts? And which color of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to catch up on the next-gen wearables, make sure to check out this video right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.